Hello, Sabine.
Hi, Camille. Good morning.
Good morning. It's 8 past 12. We can call it morning after yesterday's party. You are with us at POEG for the second time, and this time you decided to bring a lot of interesting people with a cool hashtag #DogNextGen. Could you please tell us what is it about?
You see, last year it was such a dull event, so we thought this time we should bring some party people. No, only joking. Last year it was a great event, so why did we bring more people into it? Well, the reason is that at DOAG, the German user group, we're always looking for young people we can get interested in Oracle technologies, and we thought the best way would be to put them together into a bus and drive them to some cool event where they can learn something, meet people, realize that, these speakers are normal people and are accessible, and you can just talk to them, and they should have fun, and hopefully will use Oracle technologies in the future.
So you managed to gather how many students?
Around 20.
Around 20 students, and an amazing thing, almost the same number of women and men in the group.
Yes, we're very...
In our field, it's rather, something amazing.
We're very happy about that, actually. Yes, I also think more women should be in IT.
Yeah, and those conferences, you can spot like single women in the crowd and all of the men.
I know about the trouble.
Especially in Oracle, I think in Java or other programming, maybe conferences, maybe the numbers look different, but
yes, I know the problem.
It's a problem. But yeah, you managed to gather some great people. They were having a fun yesterday, I believe. I was there.
From what I heard, yes. I didn't stay until the end, but I was told they did enjoy the party a lot, and that's good.
So yeah, that's something that should be done also here in Poland. And you gave us great example, and we will try to engage also Polish students next year, and I hope that maybe we could do some joint event for them, students from Germany, students from Poland, some kind of fun games for them, competitions, I don't know, pulling the rope, drinking for time. We're going to figure it out.
I'm already getting excited about it. It sounds like a great idea, actually.
Your session was yesterday, Sabine.
Yes.
You can feel relaxed now, today.
Absolutely. I'm so grateful, because for the last 4 or 5 conferences I was always on the last day, and I'm never relaxed until I'm done. So thank you so much for that first slot. And
can you tell us a few things about your session? What were you talking about?
Yes, this time it was one of my hobby horses, instrumentation, which summarizes logging, auditing, monitoring what your code is doing, actually, and I think we're not doing enough of it. Hardly anyone is doing enough of it. And there are great tools to help us, actually, because we're not the first ones to face that problem. So there are open source frameworks for PL SQL, logging and monitoring that we could use, actually. Just search on GitHub.
I believe almost no one knows about those stuff, because I don't know what is your experience, but I rarely see a proper instrumentation. And the tools you were talking about, how are they called?
Well, the most well-known still is Logger, which was developed by some people and then passed on to the Aura open source project on GitHub, and now is done by Martin Giffey de Souza. if you search for Logger on GitHub, you will find it. And you just install it and you're ready to go. You can start logging immediately. And if you need more sophisticated functions, you will also find them in there. So just go for it, play around, and
Some
get going.
people say that these kind of things may give overheads to their programs and tools. How would you respond to such people? how help me to get them quiet?
Well, the overhead actually is in the end a negative number. So your code will be faster when it's easier to debug, easier to find out where the bottlenecks are and where to tune. And you're not wasting time on the wrong parts of your code actually when optimizing. So, writing to $V session so hardly takes any time. So that's the least you could do. And having a logging message from time to time written into a table with an autonomous transaction, it's really worth it in the end because you will save time. So there is no negative impact.
Listen, remember.
Instrumentation.
Sabine, thank you very much for being here for the second Polish International Conference. And I really, really, really hope that we will meet also in Poland next year.
I'm very much looking forward to it.
You won't forget about us. Hope you will be able to come also. You're always invited.
It was a great conference so far. Thank you very much for having me. I can recommend this conference to anyone who's in the area on this planet. So get here, it's great fun and learn a lot, meet people.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.